Drexler Ceramics Leather Coat is a protective and water-repellent coating for your leather interior. Our kit includes a bottle of coating, a soft cotton pad, an applicator sponge, and a suede cloth. Leather Coat protects your leather surfaces from liquids, making them super easy to clean. It restores the original look of your leather without changing its natural finish. Leather Coat lasts up to 2 years, and it's easy to apply. First, make sure your leather surfaces are clean, degreased, and dry before you apply the product. Drop enough product on the cotton pad to cover most of the pad. Apply the coating, wiping in a crosshatch pattern vertically and then horizontally across your section. This technique allows for a uniform application. Immediately wipe off excess product with a clean and dry microfiber cloth until you obtain uniform coverage. This should be done right after application to avoid streaks. Work in small sections to avoid the product prematurely drying and streaking. Leather Coat can also be used on your door panels, steering wheels, and armrests. Repeat this process on your next area. Additionally, an applicator and suede cloth are provided in case you feel more comfortable using those on more flat surfaces. Always remember to wipe off immediately after applying to a small section. Let the coating dry for at least 1 hour before using the vehicle. And that's it. Now you won't be terrified of spilling coffee and other liquids on your precious leather interior. Your leather surfaces are protected by Drexler Ceramics Leather Coat.